Hello, good morning, guys. I want to discuss about hydraulic pump, and I want to show you this hydraulic pump was failed. This pump number 1 and pump number 2. This pump number is good. 320 bar pressure creating. 320 bar, 30 bar. This is creating pressure. But pump number 2 not creating pressure. Pump number 2 creating no pressure. This pump creating pressure 200 bar. This pump creating 200 bar only pressure, and pump 1 creating 330 bar creating. This is one pump number is good, and second pump one got damage inside. Maybe something is gone wrong. Maybe something inside broken. And this is a pilot pump, servo pump. This is for fan. This is for steering. And this is for pilot system. Pilot joystick pump. This is, and this one is for steering. And now we are installing new pump, guys. This is a new pump for Linde. This is a nameplate, engine nameplate. This is a nameplate, hydraulic pump nameplate, guys. This is Linde. This is a made in Germany and made by Linde. This pump made by Linde and made in Germany. This is made in Germany, and this pump is guys very strong and very powerful. Look, this is a regulator valve. This is a pump 2 regulator valve, and this is a pump 1 regulator valve. And this is a pressure minimize pressure test post. And this is an exhaust system. Look, this is a NOx sensor. Temperature. This is a EGR system. This is all is AD blue system. This is an injector, AD blue line. Here is AD blue line, and this is AD blue system. This is latest engine, latest model. This is a BS6. Look, all sensor is here. Also, this is a controlling. This is a controller, ECU. This is controlling. For this is NOx sensor controlling, and this is a all is carbon. This is carbon containing. This is also NOx sensor. How many carbon is coming outside? Everything is knowing. Computer showing. This is a latest model, new model, guys, and very soundless. When this engine is running and during operation time, you can't listen sound. Sound is very soundless, smoothly working, very smoothly working, not too much sound. Very good exhaust system, and all Duke system. This is a latest Duke engine, and 6.1 engine, Duke engine. And our team also is strong, and our team is very good team, and and this is a machine 350 mH blue. This is a latest machine, guys, and very strong and powerful machine.
सेक्शन वाला है ना सेक्शन नीचे है
Okay guys, if you like my video, thanks for watching guys my video, and give motivation guys. And do you have any question, any related hydraulic question, please explain me, I will explain you. Discuss about you have any question, discuss about hydraulic pump, and I will also explain, and I will help you guys. Okay guys, be positive, be humble guys, and good always do always best, and be happy, be positive guys, and God bless you guys. God bless you, all of you guys. Have a nice day guys. Okay, bye guys.